guys, my name is Marisol or Marisol or Marysol or Marisol or Sol or Mary or Mare or whatever you guys want to call me. Nobody can ever pronounce my name right in English. So yeah, today I did a drag transformation. I followed a couple of tutorials from here and there, and you guys told me on my Instagram stories to like exaggerate the look. You're gonna see throughout the video how it used to not look as much as a drag makeup, and I just exaggerated a couple of things to make it more draggy. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button down below and you're subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell because I will be posting once a week. So let's get on to the video. I've never done this before, so I hope the outcome is good. I'm gonna start off by gluing my eyebrows with a glue stick. I'm done with eyebrow 1, but it has a lot of residue right here. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. I look like a crazy person. Dios santo. Now I'm gonna be color correcting. Now I'm gonna go over my eyebrows and cover them completely, or as much as I can. Okay, I think the glue that I got is like really cheap. Ugh, crap. And I'm gonna color correct the rest of my face wherever I have red spots, like my little pimple right here. Now I'm gonna be applying this concealer to cover everything up. My eyebrows are going nowhere, so I don't know what to do with that. I don't know if I should apply a ridiculous amount of product or what the heck. I don't know if that's gonna work because nothing seems to work. Okay, that kind of works. I don't know what to do. My eyebrows are just like stuck there. Nothing's happening to them. Look at my eyebrows. They just look nasty. Oh my goodness. I don't understand how they make it look so easy. Your eyebrows will just disappear. I'm gonna try to cover them with this highlight stick. I'm not too sure it's gonna work. Okay, I guess. So trying to remove my eyebrows was a complete failure. I don't know how you guys do it. Now I'm gonna be highlighting, extreme highlight and contour. Wait, if I use this, it might go. Yes. Yup. Deleted. I just hate how much makeup I have on right now. Now I'm just gonna blend everything out. Okay, never mind. My eyebrows are not deleted at all. Now I'm just setting everything. Now I'm gonna bake away. I don't think this is baking at all. Now let's move into my eyebrows. What I think I'm gonna do, since my eyebrows are kind of linear, they have a tiny bit of a peak right here. I'm just gonna accentuate that and make it like more exaggerated. Okay, so I'm just gonna like do this right here. Damn! I don't know if you can actually see my eyebrow. Can you see my real eyebrow? Look, you can totally see my real eyebrow. But you can't really see it from far away. It looks cool. I like it. I like it. I like it. I need to create like a fake crease. So my real crease goes right here. I'm gonna do one like right here. So that gives it the illusion that the crease is over here, so that makes my eye look bigger. Now moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using these 3 colors, and I'm gonna start off with a light pink one to make it a transition color. Okay, now that I have that, now I'm continuing with this purple for the crease, which will be a bit higher than my normal crease. Now continuing with this pink. Next, eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit so I can do my eyelashes afterwards and then apply more. Now we're curling eyelashes. Ahora, rímel. Next, I'm applying a bit of mascara. Now, fake eyelashes, and I'm gonna be really honest, guys, I've never applied them by myself. Like, I've worn them before, of course, for like weddings and stuff like that, or photo shoots, but I've never applied them by myself, so this is going to be a challenge. These are the eyelashes, pretty fluffy. Okay, so I have my Lash Grip Eyelash Adhesive. These look super cool. Second eyelash. I think I'm definitely doing this for Halloween, guys. And I was thinking, do you guys want me to do like 30 days of Halloween? Oh my god, I am a hot drag. I don't really need a winged eyeliner because of these lashes, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Removing all that baking stuffy. Fixing my nose. Now some highlight, and I'm gonna be using this highlight, I think. I love how on the camera my skin looks really nice, but in the mirror my skin looks horrible. It's too many layers of makeup. I cannot handle this. Okay, now my nose. Now some blush. Now lipstick, and we're done! I am a total drag. I am so happy. I love the look. I need to put some eye drops, but everything else, I love it. Let me put on the wig, because I definitely got a wig. Yay, I love the look. Okay, look at all that makeup in my hair. And now the wig. This wig was like $15. Okay. And then I don't even know where the middle is. Ooh. And now I have to cut this out or just fold it. I think I'm just gonna fold it. I don't wanna cut it. Okay, I need a bigger mirror. This is the look. I'm gonna be exaggerating everything a bit more because I showed you guys on my Instagram stories and everybody was like, that looks like your regular makeup, just a bit exaggerated, but nothing too much. It doesn't look like a drag queen. So I'm gonna be exaggerating everything a bit more. I think it looks good. I liked it. You guys are so mean. Okay, yeah, that looks better. You guys are right. I hate y'all. Now I'm going in with my lips again to make them bigger. Bravo, Marisol. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not loving it. I do look like a drag now, but I'm not loving the lip. It looks like I got a lip injection and everything went wrong in the lip, so I don't know, I'm not loving it. For the real final touch, I really can't see what I'm doing because of the eyelashes, so I hope I'm doing this right. I am officially a drag queen. Didn't love the lips though. This is y'all's fault. It's all on you. So this is the look for this drag transformation. I'm really excited. I actually had a lot of fun doing this. It was hard. I've been doing this for, oh my god, it's been more than 2 hours. So yeah, props. I've never done anything like this in my life. My hands are so dirty. Comment down below if you guys liked it, if I could have done anything better, which I probably could have. And also comment down below what you guys want to see next. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. The button's right there. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media, which I will leave down the description box. And thanks for watching. Bye! Video. Cousin Lex. Mierda. No sé hablar inglés.